Now, you must also want to hear about the interior. KONA N's dynamic driving spirit seamlessly flows from the engine to the exterior and to the interior, of course. N-specific details, such as the steering wheel, the seats, the shift knob, and metal pedals, set the tone for your driving mood. And the contrasting blue highlights against the black interior remind you of the KONA N's main mission: exhilaration. The overall goal was to make an intuitive and entertaining driving environment and to awaken your emotions, because when driving N, you never just drive. Maybe Albert Biermann can elaborate a little bit further.
Thank you, Simon. When it comes to the driver interface, we asked the high-performance enthusiasts and came up with 3 key features to make your driving experience more thrilling than ever. First are the customizable driving modes, which respond instantly. The second is the head-up display in N mode that features the 4 information stats drivers look at most. Just keep your eyes forward and it's all there. The third feature is the one-circle design of the digital cluster, which lets you glance quickly at all other information. It's so great to drive KONA N. Maybe we can share this feeling with someone. When some of the hardcore petrolhead media say that the NDCT is more fun than the fantastic N manual transmission, our engineers must have created something really special. The 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission of the KONA N allows for faster shifting and increased acceleration. Combined with the displays and the intense feedback, the NDCT provides an immersive driving experience that's both exciting and entertaining, no matter what kind of driver you are. Even when enjoying the comfort of an automatic transmission, KONA N drivers don't have to miss out on the push feel of a manual shifting. With N Power Shift, the KONA N is enjoyable as ever.
No doubt, that's what KONA N was made for, and that's why we call it a true hot SUV. I guess we enthusiasts finally have a performance car the whole family can enjoy. Speaking of enjoyment, we hope you enjoyed our first M Day. Thank you, and remember, never just drive. Make every driving moment count.